Crash course on German science and technology. A look at Germany's contributions to science and technology, including innovations in engineering, medicine, and renewable energy. Germany is renowned for its contributions to science and technology, with a rich history of innovation in fields such as engineering, medicine, and renewable energy. German scientists and engineers have made significant contributions to human knowledge and technological advancement, and their discoveries and inventions have had a profound impact on the world. One of the most famous examples of German innovation is the automobile, with companies such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen producing some of the world's most iconic and sought-after cars. But Germany's technological prowess extends far beyond the automotive industry. From Nobel Prize-winning physicists to pioneering medical researchers, Germany has produced some of the world's most brilliant minds. In the field of engineering, Germany has made significant contributions to the development of aircraft and spacecraft, with companies such as Airbus and DLR, the German Aerospace Center, at the forefront of cutting-edge research and development. The country is also a leader in renewable energy, with a strong commitment to transitioning away from fossil fuels and towards sustainable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. Some notable examples of German scientists and inventors include physicist Albert Einstein, chemist Friedrich August Kekule, and computer scientist Konrad Zuse. German medical researchers have also made significant contributions to the fields of immunology and virology, with notable figures such as Robert Koch and Paul Ehrlich paving the way for modern medicine. Here are the top 12 German science and technology. 1. Automotive engineering. 2. Aerospace engineering. 3. Renewable energy. 4. Computer science. 5. Chemistry. 6. Physics. 7. Biotechnology. 8. Materials science. 9. Nanotechnology. 10. Robotics. 11. Medical research. 12. Environmental science. In summary, Germany's contributions to science and technology are far-reaching and have had a profound impact on the world. The country's innovative spirit and commitment to research and development continue to drive progress in fields ranging from automotive engineering to renewable energy. And now, a poem. Innovation flows from German minds. A legacy of knowledge that never declines. From engineering marvels to renewable power, their contributions to science never seem to cower. From cars that run on the Autobahn, to spacecraft that explore beyond the skies above us and the world below, German science and technology continues to grow, with Nobel laureates and brilliant minds. Their contributions to knowledge are hard to find. For fields as diverse as nanotech to biotech, German innovations continue to unlock. Their passion for discovery never wanes. For breakthroughs and insights, they constantly aim. From chemistry to physics, and every field between, German science and technology are an impressive machine. And now, a song. Verse 1. From the land of engineering comes a nation of innovators, pushing boundaries and breaking molds. Their spirit never wavers. Chorus. German science and technology, a legacy that shines bright. From the cars we drive to the skies we see, their impact is a wondrous sight. Verse 2. Their renewable energy efforts are leading the way towards a future that's sustainable and better every day. Chorus. German science and technology, a legacy that shines bright. From the cars we drive to the skies we see, their impact is a wondrous sight. Bridge. With brilliant minds and Nobel laureates, their contributions are hard to overstate. From nanotech to biotech, their innovations never abate. Chorus. German science and technology, a legacy that shines bright. From the cars we drive to the skies we see, their impact is a wondrous sight. Asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.